Forest fires. Maria Luisa Pacheco School by Valeria Celis. To begin my project, I want to talk about some percentage of the forest fires. The first of all is the agricultural burn, that is the 42%. That means that when the farmers are working the land and they have something on, that particular source of fire can go to the crops and make it fire. The second of all is the vandalism, that is the 40%. This means that when some people go to the forest and cut a tree, are responsible of the 40% of the forest fires. The sole change are the 10%. That means that when a company or a person buy a place of the forest and they are used contaminated or chemicals, that becomes that the trees come fire. Then the burning garbage are 2%. This is a little percent, but it's also responsibility about many of the forest fires. And it's that happen that when the garbage be fired, some particulars go to the trees and they become that fire. The other human causes are like, for example, when we take the water of the rivers, we don't let the plants we can say that drink the water and also let that they die, because we use that water to another things. The accidental causes, for example, when the UV rays are very shine, they go to the trees and make that they combust the tree. Then the natural causes are just the 1%. That means that when an electric storm begins, one ray go to a tree or to a plant and also makes that this problem begin. In Australia, approximately 10 million hectares were lost, and that is something very bad, because are not one, not two, not three, are many millions of animals that live there and they don't have a place to live now. On the Amazonas has lost approximately 2.4 million hectares. This is a little bit minus than in Australia, but it's also an important percentage about the loss of forest, and also make that many animals get extinct. But what is the most important problem? We are destroying the home of many animals. Animals that are endemic, and all the situation, all the place make that they can live there, like the weather can make that they live there, because, for example, if a polar bear lives on the desert, can die. And we are forced them to try to survive or die, because if they don't adapt, and this make that many animals in all the history get extinct because this situation. Also, the plants now have a place to grow, and they can't clean our CO2. And the problem is that if we are breathing our CO2 and we don't breathe oxygen, we also going to die. If they become extinct, we become extinct too. Oh, well, we all live in the one planet, and we cannot destroy it. Because we are all part of everything. We depend of the animals and also of the plants. And the animals also depends of other animals and of other plants. And we can think that we can destroy them because we are stronger or intelligent than them. We need to save our home because in there we grown up, we learn, we discover. So let's save our home.